how to fix WhatsApp unable to initiate call. So if you're not able to initiate call on WhatsApp in iPhone, there are a couple of steps this could be happening. So first is WhatsApp could be lacking some permissions, which you have to enable manually by simply scrolling down to the list of these apps here and then simply going and searching for WhatsApp. From WhatsApp here, what you want to do is you want to make sure to enable these access here, right? So the microphone, you want to make sure to enable it, and the camera also, you want to make sure to enable it. Local network and everything you want to do here, just make sure to enable it. Then once you've done that, if it still doesn't solve, you can simply go to the general settings over here, then simply go to iPhone storage, and from there you'll be able to search for WhatsApp. Make sure to offload the app here, and once you tap on offload, again tap on the reinstall app option in order to basically solve the problem. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.